Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you a brand new tablet. It's one of the best tablets in the market right now. It's the Huawei MediaPad M5, and it's really like a top-of-the-line flagship tablet, Android tablet that is. I'm showing you the back right here. Has a 13 megapixel in the back, very sleek design, metal body, and then you turn it around, very thin, very sleek, really cool looking, and then boom, the screen in the front. It's an 8.4-inch full display screen right here. The tablet is running Android 8, but it actually has the own kind of like Huawei reskinned OS, which is called the EMUI. Also 8, it's the 8th version of the EMUI. So that's it, that's what you'll find. It's quite different in some ways from Android. Like if you go to the settings, you'll see that there's like this several options on the right, and then the description and the actual things you can interact with on the left. So there's a few details like that, and also the main button also has its own way of functioning. If you long press it, it will go back to the menu. If you just slide your finger in it, it will show you all the apps that you have open. So there's a little few details that you might have to learn, but they're very intuitive, and it's really nice. Now about the specs more. The CPU it's the CPU from Huawei itself. It's the Kirin 960, top of the line. Once again, Octa core, 4 GB of RAM inside, 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded with a micro SD card up to 256 gigs. You can also put a nano SIM card inside, obviously to use data and everything that comes with it. Also, very large battery, 5100 milliamps, so that will run you for the whole day, no problem at all in that regard. In the front, we have an 8 megapixel camera right here for your selfies, or most likely for video calls or Skyping and all that sort of stuff. So that's it, it's the Huawei MediaPad M5. Check the links below this video. You have all the details, all the specs to really understand what makes it so special and so good when compared to other tablets. Now, it has 4 GB of RAM. That's not unique, but for an Android tablet, there's not that many options right now available with 4 gigs of RAM, and that really makes a difference and really makes it, well, the performance is just that much better when compared to a lot of other tablets being sold right now. So that's it for the Huawei MediaPad M5. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and go to gearbest.com, check all the products we have from Huawei. They're great. Thank you.